I got a new pair of eyeglasses, so I thought I'd make a new case for it. I still have a bunch of scrap fabric and thought, hmm, I'd make it easy and cut them into small squares. Some of the scrap were too small, so I combined them to make squares. I selected the blue and pink fabric and organized them before I pieced them together. I pieced it by roll so that it's more organized. I added an accent fabric to the top, middle, and bottom so that it's more cohesive. Ironed it and then added batting. Then I drew diagonal lines for each square before I added pins to stabilize it. My favorite part is sewing on the lines to combine the piece with the batting. Then I prepared the backing fabric so I can finish the project. Sewed on the backing fabric. Don't forget to leave a small gap so you can flip it over. Clean it, flip it, and then sew on the sides. I added a button also so that my eyeglasses will not slip out. I like using this instead of the hard case because it's lighter.